that one. That one, that'll eat the front of your bike. Be careful. I can't believe how deep some of those holes were, eh?
I flooded mine.
You flood, like, are you good now?
Dunked it.
You have to take the spark.
Yeah, we plugged the oil.
There's your wheelie opportunity. He's going for it. Oh! Holy fuck. Still running?
No, died.
Died? Copy that. This side's decent. Yeah.
All the way through?
Yeah, pretty much.
Okay.
Let's do this.
Are you going to ride through it?
Oh yeah. You guys can come pick me up when I fall over and start drowning. That'd be great. This is such a drop in there.
Nice.
Yeah, lots of gas, buddy, lots of gas. Attaboy. Oh, jeez. Holy shit. Oh, 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 it's so wet. Oh, did you get that on video?
Slippery, eh?
Yeah.
They say Gore-Tex is waterproof.
Oh, 100%. That's going to be a dump over there.